Okay, today's topic, asking for directions. It's super useful, but I always freeze up. Let's role play.
Great idea. I'll be the helpful local, you be the tourist. Start with polite openers.
Right, like, excuse me or pardon me. Excuse me, do you know the way to the museum?
Yes, of course. It's not far. Go straight down this street, then turn left at the traffic light.
Good response. What if I need more details, like how far is it, or is it within walking distance?
Exactly. It's about a 10-minute walk. Or if driving, take the first right onto Main Street.
Now, landmarks. People use those a lot. It's next to the big red building or across from the park.
Spot on. Helps visualize. Try asking for a bus stop.
Excuse me, where's the nearest bus stop?
Just around the corner, behind the coffee shop. The number 5 bus goes downtown.
Nice. What about confirming? So left at the light, then straight?
Yes, repeat back to make sure. Polite closers, thank you so much, or appreciate your help.
Right, your turn. Ask me for directions to a restaurant.
Pardon me, how do I get to the Italian restaurant nearby?
Oh, easy. Walk 2 blocks north, cross the bridge, and it's on your right, beside the bookstore.
North? What's that direction?
Good point. Use simple. Go up this street or point. Apps help too. You can check Google Maps.
True, but practicing in person builds confidence. What if they don't know? Sorry, I'm not sure, or ask at the information desk.
Polite rejection, yes. Cultural tip, in some places, people might walk with you.
Love that kindness. Okay, full scenario. You're lost in a new city.
Help! I'm totally lost. Can you tell me how to get to the train station?
Sure, go straight ahead for 3 blocks, turn right at the supermarket, and the station is straight across the street. It's about a 15-minute walk.
Thank you. Is there a shortcut?
Actually, yes. Cut through the park on your left. Saves 5 minutes.
You're a lifesaver. Appreciate it.
See? Smooth. You nailed the questions.
Thanks to you. Feels less scary now.
Totally. Practice makes perfect. Next time, real street test?
Yes. Coffee first, though.
Deal. You're the best partner.
Right back at you.